Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to turn PDF into PowerPoint in 2025. Whether you're a student prepping for a presentation or a professional needing to jazz up your reports, this quick guide will save you time and hassle. PDFs are great for sharing documents, but sometimes you need the flexibility of a PowerPoint slide deck to add animations, transitions, and easy edits. By the end of this video, you'll be converting files like a pro. First things first, let's talk tools. In 2025, we've got some awesome options like Microsoft PowerPoint's built-in features, Google Slides, or even free online converters. I'll walk you through using Microsoft PowerPoint since it's widely accessible. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer or via the web app. Go to the File menu and select Open. Now, navigate to your PDF file. But wait, PowerPoint doesn't directly open PDFs. No worries. Use the Insert tab and click on PDF, or import it as an object. Step 2. Once imported, PowerPoint will convert the PDF pages into slides automatically. This might not be perfect, so take a moment to review and edit. Resize images, adjust text formatting, and add your own flair like bullet points or charts. If you're using an online tool like SmallPDF or Adobe Acrobat, simply upload your PDF to their website, select the PowerPoint conversion option, and download the result in seconds. Pro tip: always check for any formatting issues, especially with complex layouts, and make sure to save your file as a PPTX for compatibility. For the best results in 2025, leverage AI-powered tools that can enhance your slides with smart suggestions, like auto-generating titles or suggesting visuals. Finally, once you're happy with your slideshow, save it and you're ready to present. This process is straightforward and can be done in under 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what other conversions you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. See you next time.